Hello guys, in previous two lectures we have learned how to convert decimal number system into binary number system, decimal number system into octal number system, decimal number system into hexadecimal number system, binary number system into decimal number system, octal number system into decimal number system, and hexadecimal number system into decimal number system. In case you missed the lectures, the link is available in the description. In this lecture, we will learn the short trick to convert decimal number system into binary and binary number system into decimal number system. The second topic will be binary to octal conversion, and the third topic will be octal to binary number system. So far, we have learned that to convert a decimal number system into binary number system, we will divide the decimal number system by 2, and to convert a binary number into decimal number system, we will multiply each bit of binary by the different power of 2. Now let's move to the short trick. Now in conversion of binary to decimal, we are multiplying with 2's power, that is 2 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 2, and 2 raised to the power 3, and so on. So here it is. From right hand side, I have written 2 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 3. That is 2 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1, 2 raised to the power 1 is equal to 2, 2 raised to the power 2 is equal to 4, 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 8. Now suppose I want to convert a decimal digit into binary digit, 4-bit equivalent binary number. Now suppose I want to convert decimal 0. Now this 0 will, now to convert this we have to add these numbers. So 0 will came by adding none of this, so I have put 0 below each number. Now if I want decimal 1, so here is the 1, so I have put 1 below the 1, rest 3 will be 0. So I can say that the decimal ones equivalent binary in 4-bit will be represented as 0001. Now if I want to represent decimal 2 into binary, I will put 1 below 2 and rest will remain 0. So here it is 0010, that is binary 2. Now if I want to write decimal 3 in binary, so here I have to add these numbers. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So I will put 1 below 2 and 1. Here it is. 1 is put below 2 and another one is put below 1. That is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So here it is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So rest will be 0. So here it is. The 3 will be represented as 0011 because 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now if I want to represent 4, so I will put 1 below 4 and rest will be 0. So here it is 4 is represented in the binary as 0100. Now if I want to represent 5, so 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So here it is, 1 is put below 4 and another one is put below 1. So here it is, 5 can be written as 0101, that is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Now if I want to make 6, so I will add 4 plus 2, that is 6. So 1 is put below 4 and another one is put below 2, that is 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So decimal 6 is written as 0110 in 4-bit. If I want to write it in 3-bit, so it will be written as 110. Now let's move to the decimal 7. 7 is made by 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. So 4, 1 is put below 4, another one is put below 4 and the last one is put below 1. So here it is, 7 is written as 0111. Now if I want to make 8, 1 will be put below 8 and rest will be 0. So it will be 1000. Now if I want to make 9, so 9 will be made by 8 plus 1, 9 will be made by 8 plus 1, that is 9. So 1 is placed below 8 and another one is placed below 1. So 1001 is equal to decimal 9. Now if I want to write decimal 10, which is equal to A in hexadecimal, so I will write like this: 8 plus 2, that is 10. Here it is: 8 plus 2, that is 10. So I have put one below 8 and another one below 2. Rest will be 0. If I want to make 11, that is B in hexadecimal. So 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. So 1 is put below 8, 1 is put below 2 and another one is put below 1. So here it is 1011, that is equal to 11 or B in hexadecimal. If I want to make 12, so 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So here it is 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Rest will be 0. If I want to make 13, that is equal to D. So 13 will be made by 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. So here it is 8 plus 4, 10, 12 plus 1, 13. So 3 ones are put below 8, 4 and 1. Rest will be 0. If I want to make 14, that is equal to E in hexadecimal. So I will add 8 plus 4 plus 2, that is 14. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. So here it is 1, 1, 1. Rest will be 0. If I want to make 15, that is equal to F. It will be 1, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, 15. That is 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, 15. So all are ones. Understand? Now let's say some more examples. If I want to make 39, so it will be 32 plus 5, 32 plus 7. So 32, 1 is placed below 32, another one are placed below 4, 2 and 1. That is 32 plus 4, 36 plus 2, 38 plus 1, 39. Now how these digits will come? It is 1, that is 2 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 3, 2 raised to the power 4, 2 raised to the power 5, 2 raised to the power 6 and so on. Now if I want to make 68, so it will be 64 plus 4. So 64, 1 is placed below 64 and another one is placed below 4. Rest all are 0. So 68's binary will be 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. Now if I want to make 54 in binary, so 54 will be made by 32 plus 16 plus 4 plus 2. So rest all will be 0. So 54's binary is 0 1 1 0 1 1 0. Now in case I have given a binary number, for example I have given 1 0 1 1 0 1 0. So simply I will add the numbers below which 1 is written. That is 64 here, then this 16, then this 8, then this 2. So 64 plus 16, that is 80. 80 plus 8, that is 88. 88 plus 2, that is 90. So 10111010 is equal to 90 in decimal. Understand? Now this short trick is applicable only when you will have this type of digits: 73, 74, 39, 29, like this. But if you have digits in decimal like 65.43 or 36.29, so you will able to convert only this 65 using this short trick. But this 0.43 you have to find by multiplying successive multiplication of 2 and writing that reminder, and from top to bottom you will write it. Now this is the one limitation of this short trick. Now this short trick you will use when you are going to convert octal number system into binary number system, binary number system into octal number system, hexadecimal number system into binary number system, and binary number system into hexadecimal number system in the examination as well. But if a question came in examination for decimal to binary conversion or binary to decimal conversion, you will not going to use this short trick. You can use this short trick to cross check your answer, but to solve a question you will not use these short tricks for converting decimal to binary or binary to decimal. You can use this short trick to convert octal to binary, binary to octal, hexadecimal to binary, binary to hexadecimal. Now let's move to the second topic of the day, that is binary to octal conversion. Now suppose I have to convert 101100 radix 2 into radix 8. So first I will do that. I will write all the bits as it is. I will write all the bits as it is. Now from right hand side I will make group of 3 bits. From right hand side I will make group of 3 bits. Here I have made 001 and 101. Now I will write binary for this binary 3-bit binary number, that is 100 and 101. I will write its equivalent decimal number by using the short trick. So I have first binary number is 100. So I will put it here 100, that is 2 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 1 and 2 raised to the power 2, that is 124, or 4 to 1. Now I will put this 100 in this, I will get 4. So here it is 4. The next group is 101. So I will put it here 101. So 4 plus 1, that is 5. So I will write it here 5. So my answer for 101100 radix 2 is equal to 54 radix 8. That's it. Now a question arises, why we have made a group of 3 bits only. As we know, octal number system consists of 8 symbols. They are from 0 to 7. Hence the maximum value is 7. So 7 can be written as 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. So 7 can easily be written in 3 bits. That's why that is 111. 7 can be written as 111. So that's why we are making group of 3 bits at a time, and they are from right hand side. Now let's see one more example. If I want to convert 10011 radix 2 into radix 8. Now what I will do, I will make group of 3 bits from right hand side. So here I go, one group, second group. Now in the first group I have 3 bits, but in the second group I have only 2 bits. Now I will add 1 0 ahead of this, so it will become 3-bit 010. Now a question arises, why ahead a 0 will be added. Now suppose I have a number 29. If I add 1 0 ahead of this number 29, will the value change? No. If I add one more 0, that is 20 ahead of this 29, will the value change of 29? No. But if I add 10 behind, it will become 290. In the similar way, we have to add 0 on ahead of the bit. That's why a 0 is added on the left hand side, on the leftmost side. Now we are going to convert each group into decimal. So here we go. The first group is 011. Here it is written as 011. Now 1 is written below 2 and 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now the second group is 010. Here it is 010, that is 2. So here it is. So we can say that 10011 radix 2 is equal to 23 radix 8. Let's see some more examples. If I want to convert 110.101 radix 2 into radix 8. Now the method is same. We have to make group of 3 bits from right hand side, but here as well the group will be made from point, from this decimal point. On the left hand side of this decimal point you will make from right to left. On the right hand side of this decimal you will make from right to left. Here it is. One group is made like this and the another group is made like this. Now after decimal one group is made like this. So we will have 3 groups, 110, 110 and 101. Now I will put here this into 4 to 1 formula. So here it is 110. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So we have 6 here. Again 110, that is 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. And now 101. 101, that is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So here it is 5. So we have 110.101 radix 2 is equal to 66.5 radix 8. Let's see some more examples. If I want to convert 10111.10111 radix 2 into radix 8. So first I will make group of 3 bits on the either side of the decimal point. So here it is the first group, the second group. Now the second group consists of only 2 bits, so I will add 10 on the leftmost side. Now on the right hand side of the decimal point we will make group from right to left of 3 bits. That is, here it is the one group and the another group. Again the last group consists of only 2 bits, so I will add 10 on the rightmost. Now why on the rightmost? Again, if I say I have 7.5, if I add 10 on the right hand side the value remains same, that is 7.5. but if I add 0 before this, just after this point and before this value, so it will become 7.05. that means in these two numbers there is a difference of 0.45. hence we are adding 0 at the rightmost after decimal and we are adding 0 at the leftmost before decimal point. So again we are going to put this value into 4 to 1 formula. So here we go. First is 111, 111, that is 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. So 7 is here. Next is 010, 010, that is 2. So 2 is here. Next is 101, 101, that is 4 plus 1 5. Here it is 5. Now next is 110, 110, 4 plus 2 6. So 6 is here. So we can say that 10111.10111 radix 2 is equal to 27.56 radix 8. 27.56 radix 8. Now let's see one more example. If I have to convert 1001.1111 radix 2 into radix 8, first I will write the binary number as it is, then I will make group from either side of the decimal point. So here I start making group of 3 bits, 1 and this is 2. There are 2 bits are less in this group, so I will add 2 zeros. Now here as well I will make group of 3 bits, 1 is here and in another group there is only 1 bit, so I will add 2 zeros. So I have one group of 001, another group of 001, another group of 111, and the last group is of 100. So I will make the decimal of each binary group. So first is 001. Here it is 001, that is 1. Again 001, that is 1. Now next is 111. 111. 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7, that is 111 is equal to 7 in decimal. Next is 100. 4, that's it. So 11.74 radix 8 is the answer. Here are some questions for practice. Now let's move to the last topic of the lecture, octal to binary conversion. Now to convert a octal numbers system, into binary number system, we have to write binary of each octal bit in 3 bits form. Let's see. If I want to convert 75 radix 8 into radix 2, first I will write 7 5. Now I will write binary in 3 bit form for 7 and binary of 5 in 3 bit form. So 7 can be written as 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. So 1 1 1. So 7's binary is 1 1 1. Now for 5, 4 plus 1 is 5. So 4 plus 1 5. Rest will be 0. So 1 0 1. So 75 radix 8 can be written as 1 1 1 1 0 1 radix 2. That's it. Now if I want to write 67 radix 8 into radix 2, the procedure is same. First I will write 6 7. For each bit I will write 3 bit equivalent binary, that is for 6 4 plus 2 6. So 4 plus 2 6 1 1 0. Here it is 1 1 0. For 7 it is 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7, that is 1 1 1. So here it is 1 1 1. So 67 radix 8 can be written as 1 1 0 1 1 1. Sorry, radix 2. Let's see one more example. If I want to write 27.36 radix 8 into radix 2, the procedure is same. You will write each bit separately, 2 7 3 6. Now for each bit you will write 3 bit binary equivalent. For 2 it will be 1 here, rest will be 0. So 0 1 0. Here it is 0 1 0. For 7, 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. So 1 1 1. Here it is 1 1 1. For 3 it is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So 2 and 1 3. Rest will be 0. 0 1 1. Now for 6, 4 plus 2 6. Rest will be 0. That is 1 1 0. Here it is 1 1 0. So the final answer will be 27.36 radix 8 is equal to 010.111.0111110 radix 2. Now you can remove these either side of zeros. The leftmost and the rightmost 0 can be removed. So 27.36 radix 8 can be written as 10111.01111. Nobody will remove this 0. You can remove this 0. Now let's see one more example. 13.75 radix 8 into radix 2. So 1 3 7 5. Each bit is written separately. Now for each bit we are going to write 3 bit binary equivalent. For 1 here it is 1, rest will be 0. So 0 0 1. For 3, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So 0 1 1. For 7 it is 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. So 1 1 1. For 5 it is 4 plus 1 5. So 1 0 1. So the final answer is 13.75 radix 8 is equal to 001011.111101 radix 2. Now same as previous question, you can remove the leftmost and rightmost 0. So here we have 2 zeros in the leftmost. So we can remove these zeros. So final answer will be 1011.111101. Now here are some practice questions. Thank you.